A boat cover is an essential piece of gear for any boat owner. Not only does it protect your boat from the elements, but it also keeps it clean and free of debris. There are a lot of different boat covers on the market, so it can be tough to know which one to choose. That's why we've put together a list of the 10 best boat covers for 14 feet row boats. Whether you're looking for a cover that's easy to put on and take off, or one that's durable and long-lasting, we've got you covered. We've also included a few budget-friendly options for those who are looking to save a few bucks. So, whether you're in the market for a new boat cover or just want to see what's out there, be sure to check out our list of the 10 best boat covers for 14 feet row boats. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Classic Accessories StormPro Heavy Duty Boat. The Classic Accessories StormPro Heavy Duty Boat cover is made from 600D marine-grade high-strength polyester water-resistant fabric that can tackle any exposed weather condition. It's also extra durable. The cover will protect your boat from UV damages, dust, and water. It is also free of PVC carcinogenic chemicals. The unit includes a support pole that is very useful to prevent water from pooling. This will further boost the durability of the cover. The product is designed for long-term storage and highway travel. It includes a trailering strap to fasten the cover to the boat while traveling at high speed. The manufacturer offers a wide range of sizes to meet the needs of different size boats. Another feature of this cover is the rear air vents for moisture to escape. The unit has an elastic cord sewn into the bottom hem so that it can provide a secure covering over the boat. For easy fitting and trailering, the boat cover has an integrated buckle and strap system. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the MSC Heavy Duty 600D Marine Grade Polyester Canvas. To meet the needs of various sized vessels, MSC is offering 6 different sizes of boat cover, starting from 14 to 24 feet long and between 68 inches up to 102 inches beam width. However, the size specs given by the manufacturer might not be the exact match for your boat. The boat cover is made of marine-grade 600D polyester canvas with double poo coating for higher durability. The fabric is also mildew and UV resistant that will not shrink or stretch even after continuous use. The cover has adjustable straps and quick-release buckles so that you can fit the cover quickly and remove without much effort. It's all about time efficiency. When the cover is not in use, it can be stored easily in the storage bag that comes with it. The entire bottom has elastic hemming so that the cover can have a tight fit which is almost like a custom fit. The boat cover is suitable for long-term storage, mooring, and traveling. At number 3 on our list, we have the Leader Accessories Solution Dyed Waterproof. For those looking for a tough boat cover, Leader Accessories has an excellent option that is durable as they are made of Shoremaster 7.25 ounces 600D heavy-duty marine-grade polyester fabric with urethane coating. Also, it is treated for water repellency, mildew, and UV resistance to last for a more extended time. You have 5 colors to choose from and will fit almost all popular hull styles. The cover has a double stitch with straps to avoid water entering through the stitching. Another useful feature is the elastic lining of the cover which can stretch and provide a tight fitting for the boat. The cover comes with rear air vents to allow moisture to escape and avoid condensation. The boat cover is suitable for storage as well as towing. At number 4 on our list, we have the Seamander Trailerable Runabout Boat Cover. If you are looking for a boat cover that is durable enough to withstand the harsh marine environment, Seamander Boat Cover, which is very thick and repels water well, is one good option. It is made from 600D marine-grade woven polyester canvas with double poo back coating. On top of that, it has interlocking double-stitched seams with marine-grade thread that keeps the cover intact and enhance its durability. This boat cover has an industrial-strength shock cord and ensures a tight and secure fit around your boat, keeping the boat well protected even on a windy day. On top of that, the product includes 12 adjustable straps that will not only ease fitting of the cover but allows trailering. The only drawback is that the cover is not vented for moisture to escape. This might cause mold to grow unless you take precautions and let some airflow. At number 5 on our list, we have the Classic Accessories has a boat cover explicitly designed for center console style boats, but without the roof. The cover goes over the console very well, and you would not need any support underneath to prevent water pooling. With the extended portion to cover the outboard motor and the elastic hemming on the bottom of the cover, it gives you a covering of the boat that is almost like a custom fit. When it comes to durability, Classic Accessories will not let you down as they always use heavy-duty 600D rated polyester fabric for all models. The fabric repels moisture and water, keeping your boat dry throughout its storage. It will also protect your boat from sunburns and prevents cracking and fading. The cover comes with adjustable straps to tighten the cover, which makes it towable. Also, the straps are attached to the quick-release buckles so that securing is quick and easy. At number 6 on our list, we have the iCover Trailerable Boat Cover 14-16 600D Waterproof. If you are looking for a boat cover that can be used not only for storage but for mooring and traveling, the iCover Towable Cover is one you should consider. It is made of marine-grade fabric with PU coating. The light gray is rated 300D and the dark gray is rated 600D. Both options are durable and waterproof, UV and mildew resistant as well as tear resistant. The cover is vented on both sides to allow air circulation, which is useful for preventing mold growth. To avoid water pooling on the cover, the manufacturer offers a support pole, which will be an additional purchase. To have a secure and tight fitting, the cover has a heavy-duty elastic cord sewn around the hemline. It also has adjustable straps and buckles for easy installation and quick release. At number 7 on our list, we have the Amazon Basics Boat Cover. Backed by a year warranty, this boat cover by Amazon Basics is a good option if you don't want to spend a lot on a boat cover. It is made of 100% polyester, which will not shrink or stretch to ensure a secure fit. The fabric has exceptional strength and will be highly durable. Although the cover is not waterproof, it repels water and will do a great job of protecting your boat from dust, debris, and other elements. It has 2 holes in the rear to act as vents to allow airflow, which avoids mold growth underneath the cover. The boat cover weighs 10 pounds and will fit 16 to 18.5 feet V-hull runabouts boats up to 98 inches beam width. This clearly means the cover is intended for smaller boats and not ideal for a boat with center console. Apart from the already sewn straps, the product includes 2 additional detachable straps to attach to the trailer. At number 8 on our list, we have the Amazon Basics Boat Cover. A boat cover is a necessity every boat owner should have to protect the boat from rain, snow, or any elements that can cause damage. The Amazon Basics Boat Cover will be one good investment as it is sturdy and durable, that is made of 100% polyester and repels water. It will be easy to fit the cover over the boat as it has an elastic cord sewn on the bottom of the hem. The cover doesn't stretch nor shrink and gives a snug fit that is close to custom fit. It also has adjustable straps to tighten further the cover, which is of great help especially while trailering. The cover is vented to have some air circulation underneath the cover to prevent the growth of mold. At number 9 on our list, we have the Budge Boat Cover. The boat seat cover by Budge will defend your boat against all outdoor elements. This particular model is made from 600D marine-grade polyester that is waterproof and repels snow, heavy rain and hot sun. Also, the material is UV treated to give maximum protection to your boat upholstery and paint from fading. The boat cover is designed in such a way that it fits hardtop or T-top boats. The size of this model is 18 to 20 feet length up to 106 beam width. You can find more size specs that can be purchased directly from the manufacturer. The cover is fully breathable, which will prevent the growth of mildew and mold underneath the cover as moisture is not trapped inside. It comes with a heavy-duty shock cord hem to give a snug fit. And finally, at number 10 on our list, we have the heavy-duty 600D marine-grade polyester. If you are looking for a boat seat cover that will not fade nor stain your boat, try the Anglink waterproof boat cover, which undergoes a unique dyeing process and will not face such issues. It is made from Ripstop 600D Oxford marine-grade polyester canvas with PU-coated inner layer. It claimed to have the capacity to withstand up to 2,000 pascals water pressure as compared to 700 to 800 pascals for its counterpart. Thus, the cover can stand up to adverse weather conditions and will have a long useful life. For conveniently securing and fitting the cover over your boat, it is equipped with 11 adjustable straps with high-strength quick-release buckles. Moreover, it has elastic hemming to ensure a tight fit. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.